it's Elliot here from SM Crusader, and I have a special 3-part seminar for you guys. With these teachings, you'll be able to grasp my framing and my mentality with trading, and you guys will be able to use it as well. The origin. Part 1. What is trading? Trading is buying and selling financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, currencies, futures, derivatives, and other commodities with the goal to make a profit. All this takes place in what we call the stock market. To buy and sell these commodities, we use brokerages. A brokerage is the intermediary that connects buyers and sellers in the stock market. I will reference a list of brokerages later in this presentation. There are 3 types of traders you can be: a day trader, a swing trader, or a long-term investor. Day trading is when you try to make quick money. Swing trading is a little bit more patient, and long-term is when you wait long-term with your investing. Trading is not investing. I repeat, trading is not investing. The types of traders you can be: a day trader. Day traders are short-term traders doing multiple trades in a day. All their trades close out during the same day. The idea is to make money quickly within a short-term price fluctuation. Normally, depending on strong technical analysis, heavily leveraged, the benefit are high returns in a short period of time. You can work anywhere in the world. The risk is emotional strain on you if you can't control them. Also, high risk of loss because of the short-term time frames. A swing trader are traders that hold their positions for a day or even weeks long. Use fundamentals and technicals to trade. The benefits are higher returns, less time consuming, and lower transaction costs since you're doing less trades. This requires patience and discipline and to wait for your setups. Long-term traders are more of your investor types. They buy and hold their positions, look to grow their portfolios, risk longer time frames to make money. The benefit higher returns and less stressful. What to trade? You can trade stocks. Stocks are shares of publicly traded companies. You can trade stocks if you have a bigger bankroll or more into swing trades or long-term investing. Loans backed by the government or a company issued to raise money. You buy bonds to make money on the interest. Options. Options are contracts that give you the right to buy and sell a stock at a strike price on or before a specific date. Futures. Futures are contracts of different derivatives in the stock market, like the S&P, NASDAQ, and currencies. Now, I'm going to explain to you guys how to read a candlestick. So this is a green candlestick. That means the market's being bullish. This is the open. This is the close. And these are what we call wicks. So you can see a candlestick within any time frame. So let's say I'm just going to give an example. This is a 5-minute time frame. So it'll be a whole bunch of candles and each represents 5 minutes. So within that 5 minutes, the market opened. Well, the candlestick opened. This is the opening. Now, within the 5 minutes, it could have went all the way up to here. This will be the high. This will be the low. But once the 5 minutes closed, it closed here. So sometimes it'll be this short and you could have a long candle down here. It could be going up here. But I'm just explaining to you how a candlestick works. Now, this is a bearish candlestick. The opening is here. So it's the opposite. And it closes here. And then once again, it could have moved with all the way up or down. It can even close here. So the candle will be shorter. But I'm just giving you an example on how to read the candlesticks. And this is where you can get your news. So I use Yahoo Finance, Market Watch, Bloomberg, Wall Street Journal, Reddit, and X. These are references, brokerages: Charles Schwab, NinjaTrader, Robinhood, Interactive Broker, Webull, Fidelity. These are also some websites you guys can use to help you. Why to trade? Now, this is what I want to talk about. You can get filthy rich Make money independently, meaning you don't need anybody. You could do it by yourself. Nobody to block you or anything. You have the flexibility to work anywhere. You can do it at home. You can do it while you're at work. You can do it in another country. Obviously, time zones matter, but you can be anywhere. You don't have to deal with people, so you're able to trade and just make your money and not interact. So it's very self-explanatory. Now, this is one of my favorite quotes. The cave you're afraid to enter holds the treasure you want. So to elaborate, sometimes in life, there are things we know we have to do deep down, and we're just scared to just take that step. But in life, you have to take those leaps of faith to get the treasure you're looking for. And that could be within anything. So the message here is, whatever you know you're afraid to do, but you want to do it badly, you have to make that step. You have to take it, enter the cave.